Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having a little bit of trouble putting a cut line around this. Well, these two that you sent me are bitmaps. Maybe that's just what you sent, but you sent me this one earlier. Now, if you look, this is composed of a bunch of fields. It's actually, well, it doesn't even have a size. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10 inches. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to make a duplicate and move it over twice. But then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go take away the fill and add an outline in black. The reason I kept that is we can put that back later. Now this is a SVG, but it's still going to work, and then we go to group, or excuse me, effects, group, and ungroup all. Now we can take it and go to effects and contour. We're going to contour. Okay, it's not going to work. So I've got to group it together. Whenever that's highlighted, I was thinking about another thing. Now let's 0.5 of an inch to the outside with rounded corners. We don't want square corners. So it did right there. That's pretty good, but it's got some inside parts we don't want. Go up to object and break the contour part. I'm going to grab our contour and move it out of the way. I'm going to go to object and break the curve apart, and then I can move this back and it's just the inside. Now, if that's too big, there's a couple things we could do, and being a sticker or a patch, I think this is for a hat. You might not want that part right there and that part right there. So what we can do is take our 3-point curve line and go from about right there to right there and just put a little curve to it. Maybe from right there to right there and put a little curve to it. Now to get that shape, I'm going to take a rectangle, put it around the whole thing, and I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. So now I've got a new shape. Now it's hitting that line right there, so I'm going to take away my outline. I don't want anything in the background, and I'm going to take away my contour and my little lines I drew, and I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool again, and I'm going to fill that in. Then I'm going to move it over, and I'm going to left click, right click. And what that did, that gave you that better, smoother maybe points. Now, if that's too big, too far off the lettering, we can always go here, contour to the inside, say like 0.1, and we made our contour a little bit smaller. We're going to go to object, break the contour part, try to grab the outside contour and move it out of the way, and then just delete it. And the reason I made a copy of this, because now I can take, and without putting any fill in there, I can move it over there and I have a cut line of a sticker. Now, if it's too rough, there's several other things you could do, but I think that right there would work and look pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.